Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I've been working with somebody over email back and forth, and this is really slowing down my computer because there's a lot going on in here. And I'm going to do more blends, but he wanted to go from like black to white, but have red on top. There's several ways you could do that. Matter of fact, I'm going to delete this because it's just bogging down my computer. I'm just going to use the word text. And what we want to do is with nothing selected, I'm going to set my nudge. Let's see how big this is. Over almost 7 inches. So let's make our nudge factor 8 inches. And let's make a duplicate of it, move it down or up. Now with nothing selected, I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 1 inch. I'm going to Control D or hit the plus key on the keyboard and move one down. That might be a little bit much, but we're going to make it white. And you can see it's on top. We need it on the bottom. So I'm going to go to Object Order, Backup Page. And now we have it on back. But make sure you select both of them. You can see 2 objects selected on layer 1. Go up to Effects and Blend. And blend it. Let's blend it 60 times. And you get that effect where it's going from black to white. Now, you could very easily break the blend apart and make the top layer red. But I find it a lot easier just to take this and make this red. Then let's move our nudge factor back to 8 inches and put it back. And there's your effect. Now, it doesn't really show up too much unless you were printing. And I know nothing about printing. We're going to put that black on the back of the page. So you get that effect. You've got some white and black. And it's a lot smoother now because I blended it 60 times instead of 20. And then all I did I'm trying to get it in the center of the page. To get the other effect is to take a ellipse and hit, let's make it white. Let's make it gray. Take away the outline. We're going to put P. Now you can see it's on top. So we're going to go to Object Order, Back a Page. But now we're going to have to put it, the black in the back of the page. So Control or Object Order, Back a Page. And you get that look. Now it's almost the same color as the original. Let's make it a little bit bigger by holding down the Shift key. Make it a little bit bigger. And then let's take it and go to Effects and Blur and Gaussian Blur. And we're going to blur it really hard out of the water. And we're going to get that effect. Now, it might still be a little bit overpowering. So we can go and we've got it selected. So go to the transparency tool and just make it a little bit transparent. That's going to kind of blend the white. And you can see my computer's having trouble keeping up with it. That's a pretty cool effect. Now, the other one I had for an example, I actually fuzzied up the black too. Anyway, I hope that finally helped him and maybe help somebody in the future. Thank you for watching.